we are in the middle of the woods. There is no clear path in sight. And I hope no one steals my mountain bike where I left it. And here we are. Oh shit. Rhode Island Historical Cemetery, North Smithfield, 61. Oh crap. That must be the town line right there. We're not doing any vandalism. Yeah, these are probably graves too. I mean, this is a little strange. I mean, was someone metal detecting up here, or... Looks like something was happening. Hopefully no one digging up anything. I can't tell. Oh my god, we might have a legible one over there. Looks like this guy needs a tune-up. Well, this is probably one of the last stone. Ooh, there's probably another. A lot of people come up here and break these things. Oh, man, it's tough to read. Hopefully with maybe the power of GoPro, we can catch some. Let's say in memory. Is that Nason? Wife? Yeah, it's difficult to read. Oh, it even has one of these like inscriptions way down here. This stinks. It's like it's right there, but it's hard to read. That's crappy. That is crappy. Oh, you can see someone broke it. Things in there. Good Lord. A lot of people up here. Well, it's almost like, how long is this video going to be? I'm going to try to hurry it up. Because the cemetery was built right next to an old sawmill. With all the stones right here, I mean, there must have been something built right there. I mean, by the feels of things, I mean, this indent, this could have been a big giant barn here or something. It's obviously not so much of a stone wall right here. Yeah, I came up that way, and then I saw the entrance here in the stone wall, so I kind of thought the cemetery was up this way, but I didn't make it too far. But my mountain bike's still there. Good. Well, here we are at the old sawmill. Let's take a peek around this place and do a 2-for-1. Pretty impressive stonework here. Seriously. Look at the design right there. What's that all about? Great, more poison ivy. Sorry. My God, look at the stones everywhere. Well, maybe in a couple years, and this channel makes its first $100, we'll use that money to buy a metal detector, and we'll come back to all these spots and see what we can dig up. Literally, I have no clue what these people are seeing. But we do know it's an old sawmill site, and if anyone's curious, you can go on the website and look up the gravestones and check the dates out. I don't want to waste too much time, but I'm sure there's always a little more hiding out here. Let's just go down the front, work my way towards my mountain bike. I mean, we got some stonework here. It's like crap. It's like, what the hell did this place look like new? Look at that. It's like there's something going on here. There's probably a nice old colonial bridge there at one point that looks like they took apart and probably ought to put some pipes in and fix that up. Yeah, well, I mean, look at all these rocks. Maybe all these rocks probably came from over here. And this is probably... They must have had this all dammed up. The power of the sawmill. Yeah, those rocks over there, I would like to see them when they're all... Seeing this place in its heyday time would have been cool. You see, those rocks haven't moved in a while because of the moss. Well, that was the Sunday after breakfast adventure. Time to ride on and have a good day.